Okay, so I don't really know how to work Canvas very well, and I somehow missed this assignment. But I'm gonna show you where my settings are and how to change those. So you just go down to your Windows, up to the settings, click there, and then if you go to the system one, you can change your brightness right here. You can turn on the night light. That makes things a little bit easier to see something else. So you can change the size so you can make it 5% instead of just 100% if it's hard to read the words on the screen. You can change the volume. I don't know if a student needs like headphones or something, you could mess with those. Um, you can make sure that there's certain notifications that come on. Um, so that people can or students can focus better. Focus assist, make sure that only certain notifications come on so that you can focus in and not get distracted. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. There wasn't a ton on here, but those are the settings.